Whether on a long ride or an everyday one, you may face issues with the motorcycle headlamp. Replacing it is quite easy and you should be able to do it yourself. Here is how. The only tool you will need for this activity is a screwdriver. It is available in your motorcycle toolkit. Additionally, you will need a genuine Royal Enfield headlamp bulb unit. Remove the 2-pan head collar bolts on both sides of the headlamp casing with a screwdriver. Remove the headlamp assembly. Disconnect the bulb coupler. Place the headlamp assembly on a soft cloth to prevent any damage to the lens. Remove the headlamp rubber boot from the reflector dome. Push the headlamp locator clip and slide out from the slot to unclip it from its lock. Carefully remove the headlamp bulb from its positioning using a clean and soft cloth. Check if the bulb is blowed off. If it is, replace it with a genuine Royal Enfield bulb. If not, check with the Royal Enfield Authorized Service Center for any other issue. To fit the new headlamp bulb, locate the new headlamp bulb assembly into 3 slots provided and fix it in its position. Fix and lock the anchoring clip from the other end carefully by pushing it into the slot. Fix the rubber boot on the top. Connect the headlamp bulb coupler. Align the headlamp casing and tighten the Allen bolts using a screwdriver. Now, align the headlamp glass by adjusting the bolt. Do not touch the bulb with your fingers to prevent any damage. Always hold the bulb with a clean dry cloth. Your motorcycle is ready for the ride. Keep riding.